This is so cool. Yeah! Now what?
What? Get the ball.
Yeah, I don't feel like getting the ball. Better out. Hey, I want to look good for the camera. Wait, oh, sorry, I wasn't ready. The camera, you know. Yeah. Whoosh! I actually had a game today. Yippee! Hey, I jumped over that. Did you miss that? I hope you didn't miss that, because I actually jumped over that. You didn't miss it, right? Did you see that?
Katie.
Oh.
Katie, that doesn't count.
That actually didn't meant to be pitched, so.
Katie!
What?
When I'm going like this, don't do it.
Well, I didn't know you were going like this. I was too. Whatever. Oh, I hate Skittles. Watch this. Hey, can I show the camera something?
Sure.
Okay. Oh crap! I wasn't ready. Hold on.
Great.
Okay, can you go now?
Sure.
Look at the fire pit. Look at the fire pit. I can jump! What's this?
Great.
Can I get the order, please? Pizza Hut. Okay. Oh, that was awesome. What the? I guess you can get out.
I almost got a
Alright,
homer
I
there.
can
Did you
jump
see
over
that, yo? Huh?
No.
Yes. Flip up.
Flip up. Where is it?
Wow.
Where is it?
That'll look good in replay. It's in the tree?
Yeah. Well, maybe not in it, but by it.
Well, let's go find it.
I saw the whole thing. Where'd it go? Did it really hit that hard? Oh, I see. It's in the tree. Okay, do a close
Goodness.
up. Do a close up.
I can get it.
I can't get it. I'm slow enough.
Got it. I got it, yo. Yo, I get it. Couldn't get it.
Don't ever do that again.
Do what? I got a yo-yo.
Okay, my turn to bat.
Dude, video take Jordan.
You just
Evan.
batted, didn't you?
T2-1.
Yep, there's Jordan.
Ooh, a plot twist.
Jordan, catch.
Dramatic zooming in and out. Dun 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 dun.
I'm pitching. Get it, Jordan!
Here, where's that? I'm bad at this. Don't give me. Hey!
Jordan! Run! Get it!
Hit it with the I'm supposed to be running.
Here you go, kitty. Don't say that! I just said that ball down the hill. Ow! Boom! You have to try and lift me up so I can get it. Right? You have to lift me up so I can get it.
Go quickly, we're kind of running out of battery.
Look up.
Down.
Go hang upside down now.
Why can I hang upside down?
You better not do cool stuff on this.
Fine.
Ah, it's all
let's go find some people.
Oh, got it. Wait. Turn it! Hi, peoples. I can't get my foot out. Wait, yep, I got it. Never mind. Owie. I see Katie. What? I see Katie. You think Katie's in there? She's not in there. Yes, she is. No, she's not. Not in there. Yes, she is. Why do I see her face then?
Jordan, go around the bush. Let's see. Come on.
Shoes remind me of a clue.
There is Bells. She must be nearby. Let's go find some people. Ooh, that robin might be telling us where we need to go. Or not. Where could they possibly be? I don't know where they are.
I knew you would come. Kick it off! Kick what off? Kick what off? Kick what off? You okay? Your key. Oh, that looks like. No, that's not yours. What do you know? Woohoo! It's mine.
Speaking of Michaela, where is she, Isabel? Do you know?
No, she was over in the bush and then she ran that way, but I don't know where she went.
Come on, let's go find her.
For real, I don't know where she went.
Not there.
You're making a big one. I'm gonna get my shoes.
Hey, you can come out now.
Gotta get my shoesies.
Message to tell you that I'm hiding in the bush.
Haley.
Katie, give us like a riddle or something to where Michaela is.
She's inside.
She went home, Evan.
She did?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I saw her.
Wow. And there's only one possible explanation for that. We know she went home.
Katie.
What's that?
She's gone. Katie, look. Stop. Not a shoe. Owie!
Guys, count to 10 and then come look for me.
1, 2.
That's not fair. Jordan, go. Wow, Jordan totally gave away my spot. Perfect. Hip hip cheerio. Cheerios, be happy, be healthy. Oh, look, a car. You think I should go look for them? Probably. That was easy.
Bit too easy.
And somebody's holding a cigarette because I can smell
Michaela!
it. I did.
Why'd you leave?
I have to go in. What did you write? And what?
Looks like Anders. Oh, Anderson. She's writing her last name. Well, I guess this wraps up our game of hide and seek. Say goodbye to the camera, Katie. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Hey guys, say goodbye to the camera.
They don't miss a beat. Look at that one off the grass New Year came off.